Thanks very much. Good afternoon, everyone. So it's a great pleasure for me to be here today representing Western Sydney University. And I need to thank Innovyz for the opportunity and also the people hosting us today, ASICS. I'm particularly pleased to be here because of our burgeoning relationship with Innovyz and the specific projects that you'll hear about later this afternoon, where these really exemplify for us our determination to have our research deliver and achieve real impact. And impact from our research, what we mean is make a difference through outcomes and solutions that will help business, industry, and our community. In health, my discipline, we speak about moving our research from bench to bedside and then beyond. With Innovyz, we want to have the opportunity to apply that across all fields to ensure that we translate our research from ideas into companies, into industry. With the release of the National Innovation and Science Agenda, the PM told us there has never been a more exciting time to be an Australian. From a university perspective, with the emphasis now on working closer and collaborating with industry for the university and the role that we believe we can play in the diversification and growth of high-value, knowledge-intensive industries, let me tell you, there's never a more exciting time to be in a university. While the Innovation and Science Agenda has brought a real sharp focus to the national conversation, at Western, we have recognised and understood we have an important role to play in supporting the development of our communities. The university's strategic research plan is prefaced on the ambition that all of our research will have real impact. And as I've already stated, for us that means creating solutions to real-world problems. In some context, that will mean we'll have policy impact. In others, we may leverage a social change. But what you'll hear about today is the impact that our research will be able to make by creating new jobs and supporting the national economy. We are certain that the potential of our some 1,500 researchers that span an extensive range of disciplines and what they have to offer. We understand that by working with the right partner, we give ourselves the best opportunity of realising that potential. And this underpins the approach that we have taken in establishing the relationship with Innovyz. Now, we're all aware of flagship university spin-out success stories, but we also know that these stories, while something for us to aspire to, are not the norm. They are not the rule. We're pragmatic about this at Western, and necessarily consider in all commercialisation strategies whether we do have the right breadth of skills necessary in order to deliver a project and deliver it successfully. It is here that the strength of the collaboration with Innovyz will be realised. For Western, collaborating with Innovyz offers a different commercialisation approach, one that will give us extremely valuable business experience, extensive networks, and a robust incubation model. And I'm sure you'll hear more about that as today progresses. There has been a general criticism of the university sector that we too often pursue a very narrow, linear commercialisation model, very quick to license and then forget it. At Western, we know we've got more to offer. Our researchers have access to great facilities, networks. They have international partnerships with major and emergent industry, locally and abroad. They develop some great innovative technology that you'll hear about. And you'll also see that they are, to a person, passionate about their work and have a real strong desire to see it applied in the real world. From the community's perspective, establishing new businesses will bring significant benefit. Not only that business, supply chains around that business, supporting industries, and of course, job creation. Working with Innovyz gives us access to that distinctive commercial capability, and it gives us the best opportunity to make the new businesses that we will create successful. I want to finish there, hand over to the real talent that we want to hear from, but let me reiterate just how enthusiastic we are about this relationship. We are sure that together we are going to make real impact and real progress. Enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Thank you.